Welcome to Tech with Damir. In this video, we're going to take a look into the regular expression underscore substring. This function returns the first substring that matches the regular expression pattern from the given string. So here is example. So you have regular expression underscore substring, and here is a log 20, 24, 04, 10, and we are looking for a pattern such as 4 digits, then have dash there, and then 2 digits, and then have dash there, and then another 2 digits. So that means we are looking for this type of data in this one, and once we execute this one, it will return us this data. Now if we are looking for some other value, such as we are using this function here in the price, and you have colon $99.99 here, and here backslash dollar sign. I'm looking for a dollar sign starting here, so we have found it. And then once we have the dollar sign, then we're looking for some numerical values like numbers. So we have those numbers here as well, and then we're looking for the dot value here, so we have dot as well. And then we are also looking for digits again, so 99 right here. So in this case, once we run this one, it's going to return us this value right there. So that's great. Now we are going to take a look on some more examples, and here is my sample data. You have this sample data with log message, and it has your log information such as error or a warning and all that. It has completed successfully or failed or whatever, and then you have a date timestamp here, and then you have the data price there, so you can see right there in the next column. So here I'm using these two columns, log message and price, to create this data frame df, and we say spark.create data frame, then use the sample data and the column list that we just have there, and it will create us a data frame. Now we want to extract the data from the log message. So how we will do that? We'll say df dot with column. So we are adding a new column, log data. Then you are using a regular expression underscore substring, and we are applying this regular expression underscore substring function on this column. And here we are looking for this pattern. So we want four of these numbers here, and then we want a hyphen or dash here, then we want 2 more digits here or numbers here, and then finally we want another hyphen and then 2 digits again. So whenever it will find that pattern, that's where it's going to return us from this column. So column is a log message, and finally we are showing the data from a df data frame. So here it is, you can see that we have log message, and then we have price here. So these are original columns we created from our sample, and now I have created a log data here. So you can see this one has extracted this information from here, and this next column, it has extracted this information. So depending upon our pattern, it found the values and then it returned us. So in case if I don't have that value, now we are going to go ahead and execute. I just incorrect the date here. Now if we take a look, what will happen here? So if the pattern is not matching with any value here, we are going to get the null value right there. Okay, so now we will go and take a look on another extracting pattern. So here we will be extract price from the price string, and we say df equal to df data frame, that's our original data frame with column, and extracted price, that's a new column we are adding, regular expression underscore substring, and on column price. And then we are saying this is the pattern we are looking for. So we are looking for a dollar sign, then we are looking for some numbers, then we're looking for a dot, and then we're looking for the numbers again. So this qualifies for this type of value, see right there. So we're looking for dollar sign, some numbers here, then we have a dot here, and then we are looking for some numbers again. So this is the pattern we are looking. So if I execute this command, you see that it has extracted these values. So now let's change some values, and now if I will just leave this and remove the dot from there, now it's not going to be able to find the dot, and that's where it is going to return us the null value in that column right there. So you see for this record, as this does not qualify with the pattern we are looking for, so it returned us a null value. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. I will put this notebook in the description so you can use and test. I will see you guys in the next video.